Now let's see how we can get it. What is it? Let me restart again quickly. So we want to do education, and we said it was having the list. So we want all the columns from that row for education. So we can say clean underscore data, clean data, then we get list. This list includes this is not data. I don't know why I'm missing there. Data instead of df. So clean df, that is data frame. We want log. You can say dot log. Then now we give this clean underscore df dot log. We are giving which location we want. Let me see. Starting and career salary. Yes, as just with this. I just copy it. This Control C and now Control V, and this should not be like that. I want it like that because it's a column. This is a def.log. So we can say clean def.log, and you can say clean df we give it this list. This is like this within a list, and then we say dot max. No, we need mean. Actually, we need the main the call. Anyway, like that. There is an error, and this error is coming from here. This should be enclosed by this log right here. This one, like that. So like clean df dot log clean df the carrier earlier, and we check again. Control enter. There's still another one. Mint career salary is typo. Salary. Yeah, there was typo. Then we can control enter again, and you can get anything here. So the group with minimum, it is that of education sector, and a downward spread of 72,500, which is very huge gap. Then we have starting media salary and all that, and we have group which is humanities, and the humanities in education pay the lowest. So that is how you can get the data series. That is how we finish today's shot. Thank you.